If you're managing access to modern apps and resources, identity providers and IAM systems are the gatekeepers that make it all happen, securely and seamlessly. In this lecture, you'll explore what they are, how they work together, and why they're essential for protecting your organization. An identity provider, or IDP, is the system responsible for authenticating users. Think of it as the trusted source that vouches for your identity when you try to access something. When you sign into a website using your Microsoft, Google, or Apple account, you're relying on an IDP. It confirms that yes, you are who you say you are, and passes that confirmation on to the service you're trying to access. In enterprise environments, Microsoft Entra ID acts as the identity provider that stores user credentials and profiles, handles authentication processes, for example, MFA, passwordless, and issues tokens to access apps and services like SAML, Auth2, or OpenID Connect. While the IDP authenticates your identity and access management, IAM, is the broader system that governs what you can do after you're authenticated. IAM answers key security questions like, who are you? How did you prove it? What are you allowed to access? When and under what conditions? In Microsoft Entra ID, IAM includes user and group management, access control policies, for example, conditional access, lifecycle automation, privileged identity management, PIM, access reviews and governance workflows. You can think of the IDP as the entry point. It verifies your identity, and IAM is the full system of rules and controls that manage your access from that point forward. Here's an example. You log into a cloud app using your Entra ID credentials. The IAM policies check your location, device, and risk level. Based on that, it either allows access, blocks it, or challenges you with MFA. Together, IDP and IAM form a complete access control loop. Verify, evaluate, and authorize, all while protecting your organization from identity-based threats. As you build and manage secure environments, understanding the difference between an IDP and IAM gives you a huge advantage. You'll be better equipped to design systems that are both user-friendly and hardened against unauthorized access. And when you're working with Microsoft Entra ID, you're not just using an identity provider, you're leveraging a full-featured IAM platform designed for hybrid cloud and zero-trust scenarios. So, what's your takeaway? An identity provider authenticates users and vouches for their identity. IAM is the system that governs who has access, how, and under what conditions. Microsoft Entra ID combines both IDP and IAM capabilities in one secure, cloud-native platform.